to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok search history. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you need to open your TikTok profile. After that, tap on top right three lines. Click on these three lines. After that, tap on setting and privacy. Click on the setting and privacy. Now here you can see, now here scroll down and click on activity center. Here you can see, tap on this activity center. After that, here you can see your YouTube. Here you can see your TikTok search history. Tap on this. Now here you can see my all TikTok search history. You can also select this searches and you can also delete this one by one. In this way you can check your TikTok search history and you can also delete your TikTok search history. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.